Hey guys, how's it going? How to fund your Kraken account with fiat currencies. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Kraken. And then basically what you're going to do, go ahead and click the arrow thing at the bottom middle. And then basically what you're going to do, you can just go ahead and click deposit. Alright? And basically you can just go ahead and use one of the European currencies or Western currency. You have the US dollar, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, euro, pound, and Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So let's say for example I'm using US dollars, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and use the Swift via bank frick, right? And I'm gonna just manual enter my bank information manually. The name on your bank account must match the name on your Kraken account. Transfers are not instant and may take a few days to process. Online banking transfer via ACH are not supported. Click continue and basically copy the Swift bank and then add the information to your bank account so you can deposit the you can deposit your own deposit your own crypto with fiat currency. So you can transfer or convert the dollar to another currency or another fiat currency, or basically transfer it or convert it to crypto. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.